Hi, what's your name?
Girija.
And yours?
I'm Rugaja.
Rupaja. So the jazz is what keeps the friendship going. The ja is common between Girija and Mrugaja.
Kind of. Maybe we can say. Yeah.
How long have you been friends for?
It's been a year, then we had a breakup, friendship breakup, then we patched up again.
It
And
was a
then-
bad one. We had a rough patch. We
Yeah.
didn't talk for like 6 months or something. And then, yeah, things just worked out.
So you had anxiety, that fear of missing out, oh, I'm missing her, all of that.
Kind of, but we were trying to be, nonchalant kind of people. We didn't show much.
Yeah.
You
We were like, we
you
don't give a
think-
fuck about each other. But then we did.
Yeah.
So you think it's cool to be nonchalant?
No, it's kind
Not
of
really. It is toxic for ourselves.
Agree. And so when you all had that whole dramatic episode, like who made the move to put the friendship back into its space?
I was the one to apologize. She gave
And
me
she
a
was
chance.
the one to mess up,
I
okay?
messed up. Okay, I totally accept. But I was the one to apologize after 6 months. I gathered all the courage to talk to her again.
And how did you apologize? What was
She sent me a
The
long
most
ass
easy way
paragraph.
to apologize and face something is via text, so I did that. I wrote a big paragraph to her.
I mean, it just worked out so well. It was like in destiny. Like, out of nowhere, we got a chance to work in a play, which we didn't get for like 6 months. And then she approached me because I generally didn't talk to her after that at all. And then she approached me. She was like, you should take, I'm a good actor, by the way. So she was like, I'm not flexing, but, she was like, you should do
No,
this
it's
role.
good to flex. If you have it in you, why not flex?
She was like, you should take part in this. You could do well in this role. And I surprisingly did not, I was not a bitch to her. And I was like, okay, I'll take part. And then I auditioned.
But
I
you
got
had
the
that
part.
thought of being a bitch to her?
I asked my mom, what should I do?
If
And
your
so
mom would have not given you that consent, would
I
you
would have
been
left her on scene, to be honest. I wouldn't have replied.
Okay, the mom was the savior.
the mom was the savior.
My mom was like, come on, she's approaching you. Maybe you should just, just talk to her. Be
And
mature.
now how is the bond?
It's stronger than the last time. It's very.
I think breakups actually makes it more
Because now
strong.
we are more straightforward to each other.
Yeah.
We are like, if you do this, if you improve on yourself, then I'm going to give you a second chance, or else no, just tell me you can't do it, then we'll just go our
So you have like boundaries set. These are the boundaries.
Yeah.
We've learned from our mistakes.
Yeah,
Absolutely. You think it's important to evolve in life?
very.
Yes, very important.
Are you guys happy?
We are working to be happy. Once
How are
we
you
are
working to be happy? I didn't get that.
we are learning from our past mistakes. We are working on it. Like we are being honest to ourselves that this was where I made things bad. So I'll have to work on it. So I'll be happy in future. So once you stop working on that, I think your life stops.
To be honest, I think I'm realizing my mistakes and all that, but I'm not able to execute the corrections. So I'm trying to, but each day just goes by the same way. I'm not able to put it into account, but yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Even like 1% improvements will work maybe.
So are you happy?
No.
You're not happy.
No, I'm not happy.
You're trying to get there. There is a goalpost for happiness.
Yeah, it's more like being myself. I am not myself. I feel like that.
Why are you not yourself?
Because I don't know, just some things happened in the past and it's more like I'm trying to fit in or shaping myself according सामने वाले के हिसाब से I'm trying to shape myself, but I don't want to do that. I want to be like मैं ऐसी हूँ, तुमको ये accept हो
This
रहा
is
है
the version of me. Either you take it or
or
you leave it.
Yeah,
That's
I
what.
want to go there. And yeah, I mean, I have improved a lot in the last years, but I've still not reached there and I could do much.
And what is your definition of happiness? Like, how would you define, like, if you have a goalpost, so what do you see your goalpost as for happiness? How do you define it?
Being satisfied with whatever we are doing and getting a good sleep at the end of the day.
You're not currently having a good sleep at the end.
Look at our dark circles.
So maybe that's because of you're scrolling too many reels or you're having too much of screen time.
Or we are MBBS students, that's why.
Okay, so it's the bookworms.
Not the bookworms, but we tend to have a lot of stress
Maybe
of
happiness
studies as
is-
well as other things, and we don't get
No,
enough.
we don't have study stress, let's be honest.
Okay,
We
fair.
don't. It's more like happiness is like, when you see a cat, it's so eager for food and then it has it and just goes to sleep.
That is happiness.
Yeah, that
A
satisfaction.
cat with a full belly peacefully resting is happiness.
It's
Wow.
like that peace, there's just peace. At the end of the day, मतलब वो पूरा hunt करके आ रही है, एक चूहा खा लिया उसने.
और वो
and then-
खुश है.
हाँ, वो पूरा hunt से एकदम खुश है. She's not like अरे छोटा चूहा मिल
So
गया.
तुम्हारा हंट क्या है हैप्पीनेस के लिए? तुम दिल्ली करके कौन से चूहे को हंट कर रही हो?
Ourselves, I guess.
And what is your goalpost or definition of happiness, if I have to ask you?
Being satisfied with whatever I am doing, and at the end, even if other people are not proud of me, even if other people are bitching about me, I think I am happy with myself. I am happy with the version of me being me. So I'm fine with that.
You don't
And
need to give a validation to the world. Absolutely.
when I look in the mirror, I feel like, yeah, this person is me and I'm happy with that. So that is the definition.
And one toxic trait as a friend. I mean, don't be political on that.
No,
All of us
I
have
am
some
not.
toxic.
She knows I am
So one
straight
toxic
as
trait of hers.
she ऐसे बहुत उड़ने लगती है. बहुत उड़ती है वो. Like,
उड़ती है मतलब?
in the sense कि जहाँ पे you need to be stable and calm in front of some people or in some situations, वो बहुत hyper हो जाती है. She wants to be in the spotlight, in the center of attention, and she forgets कि भाई frame में बाकी लोग भी हैं.
I don't want it. I'm the showstopper.
Yeah, उसका वैसा हो जाता है. But no, you have to work together when you are there.
Collectively.
Yeah, and your work shines through you. You don't need to go out there and put that spotlight on you.
And one thing you have to say about her.
Maybe, I think I like one thing about her, which
Not
she,
like.
Dislike.
We don't want tarifa. We want toxicity.
okay, I'll have to think on it.
You're being political. She's not going
No,
to
I'm
ghost
not
you
being-
after this.
No, I'm not being political, but she's been there with me in every situations, and I cannot directly say that this is wrong. This
So
is
there's no toxic trait as such.
not toxic, but yeah, some things which I don't like is she has less celebrity. You know what celebrity means?
No.
Like whenever I tell she let's go here, she denies most of the time,
I'm
and
also
I have to go
She's
deep
more of
down
a
and
home person.
kind
अभी
of.
यहाँ पे आने के लिए also
Yeah,
she had to
I have to like go deep down and convince her कि bro just let's go. She is scared to explore, I guess. I think that is something which she should work on. She is a little bit scared to explore herself as well as everything else. So she needs to explore.
So wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
May you guys become the best doctors possible, and it's
Hope
a
we
noble
save lives,
profession.
man.
Yeah,
we
please
really
save lives. I'm too petrified of doctors, but I'm sure you guys will be great doctors. It was amazing chatting with you guys.
Thank you.